Hello traders. I tried this expert advisor for over a week and made 3% profit every day. Yes, in this video I will explain the details. This expert advisor is Oracle EA, which I run on the gold USD pair. Yes, as you know, trading volume in the gold ounce per US dollar pair is quite high, so I can get profits quickly using this expert advisor. There are several things that I will explain. If you are a new viewer, you can subscribe to this channel and of course it's free. You will get a free expert advisor along with the reasons when I upload the video. Make sure you turn on notifications so you can find out every time I upload a video. One. Presets and the terminal I use. Okay, this is how it looks when the Oracle Expert Advisor is running. On January 23, 2023 I started observing trading using a capital of $70. And you can see here every transaction that occurs. On February 3, 2023 the total profit earned was $37 from a capital of $70, or have made a profit of 50% more in just over a week. This is the preset I use. You can also download this preset. I have provided the link in the video description. If you ask which terminal I use, is version 4 build 1370. Two. Details of profitable live trading results. Using custom presets. I have connected my trading account with MIFX book account before. To see more detailed trading results. The deposit I used here was $70 and earned $37, or the total gain that is obtained is 54.16%. Present that I used to get a profit of $3 from a capital of $70. And this is his daily transaction. You can see here. Every day the profit achieved on average can be $3. Detailed ARI advanced statistics. During 10 trading days that occurred as many as 77 transactions. With 60% profit and 40% loss. Profit factor 1.88. Small profit factor but not bad. Hourly information provides trading information open at any time. Here the highest trading activity is at 12 o'clock at night. Until 5 AM at the latest. I've also been trading starting at 11 PM. This is because my profit setting is small. So when the start of the day at 12 PM starts trading, the expert advisor will look for predetermined profit targets. And when the profit target has been obtained, the expert advisor will stop opening open positions. This will reduce the risk of a loss occurring. Then daily information. There is no day setting that I set. These are the details of the transaction. The longest trade is only 2 hours more. And the fastest in seconds. The biggest profit is $7 and the biggest loss is $3. Profit in January 39.94%. And February 10th, 16%. Three. Details of the results of live trading losses. Without using presets. As a comparison, I run 2 trading accounts for comparison of results. In this second account I use the default preset. And the result is a margin call. In my opinion, this expert advisor is designed only for short-term scalping. And when there is news, this expert advisor cannot handle it. The second in this default setting is not set a daily target that is achieved. So the expert advisor will continue to open trades as long as the parameters meet market conditions. As a result, when there is news on trading results, it becomes a margin call. To deal with that, I try to make a small daily target to see the results. And during these 10 days, trading with a small take profit can bring a stable profit. From hourly information, you can see here, losses at 11 a.m., 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. Then for transactions that lose, you can also see this information. The martingale system can quickly return profits and can also quickly produce losses. For that, you must be able to wisely manage your trading money management. If you want to get bigger profits, of course the capital you use must also be more than $70 US. 3. To get this expert advisor, you can visit the website that I have created at tradea.com. Okay, that's the video about the Expert Advisor Oracle review. I suggest you be careful using this Expert Advisor, as well as quick profits. Quick margin call too. It depends on the settings you use. And the broker you use is also influential. In this video I use Exness Broker. If you are interested, you can register with the Exness Broker from the link that I have provided in the description of this video. I hope one day you can be financially successful. Support this channel by clicking like and share. Thanks for watching till the end.